We got bulletproof glass now. I feel like I want a Grammy. I'm speaking Guapanese. I know he cannot understand me.
What's going on YouTube? Today I'll be showing you guys how to turn into person into a cartoon, so let's get straight to it. So we're going to start off by finding an image. Once you find that image, you can go ahead and save it to the desktop or whichever folder you created, or if you have a photo you can go ahead and save that somewhere as well. And these are the settings I usually use for the photos, but you can use whatever works for you. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and open up that image. Now we're going to go ahead and create different layers. One would be for the main photo, another one would be for coloring, your lips, and outline. Whether you put the opacity down is completely up to you. It's just something that I like to do. And so this is a custom brush that I use. It kind of helps with the head because if you mess up, it rounds everything out for you. Okay, so now we can go ahead and trace the picture. When I trace, I normally zoom in. It just kind of makes everything a lot easier and you can see everything. And when you trace, you can switch between brush sizes. And if it's a smaller area, use a smaller size. And just try to trace over everything that you see in the picture. Okay, so now once you're done, we're going to go ahead and unlock that first layer and move that to the side so we can go ahead and start coloring our picture. Okay, so now we're going to be coloring, so we're going to go ahead and transition from the outline layer to the coloring layer, and you'll be switching over to lips layer once you're done coloring to color those as well. Alright, so that wraps up the video. If you guys have any questions, please comment below, but thank you for watching.